I'm Tiffany Gorley-Carter, Policy Counsel at the National Council of Nonprofits, and this is your nonprofit, nonpartisan election tip on using non-traditional media to inform the public. With us is Rina Risper, Executive Director of the New Citizens Press Community Action Network, and Annie Hamaty, the Public Policy and Government Relations Manager at the Michigan Nonprofit Association. Thank you so much for being here, both of you. You work together to use non-traditional media to reach your various audiences and reach and share nonpartisan and vetted information about the election. So, Manny, we'll start with you. MNA is the state association in Michigan. Can you explain a little bit about the partnership between MNA and the New Citizens Press Community Action Network?
Our partnership with non-traditional media networks like the New Citizens Press Community Action Network is extremely crucial to our civic and community engagement work, as well as our Engage New Voters program. So we know that mobilizing nonprofits to reach communities that are historically underrepresented has shown to be very effective. And so networks like the New Citizens Press are critical partners in reaching these communities with targeted messaging that includes accurate information on how to vote and the why to vote.
And Rena, can you tell us a little bit about the New Citizens Press Community Action Network and why it's important to use small and niche media services?
Well, TNCP CAN has a program called Diverse News Association. And what we do is connect with small, niche, minority newspapers. We have a collection of African American newspapers, Latino newspapers, vodcasters, podcasters, bloggers, and also we're willing to make individuals who are already popular into influencers if they fit in with the program. But we really try to get information to agencies and organizations that impact their own community. For example, we have a Bangladeshi newspaper, and when we want to get information out to his community, he actually knows how to translate in the language that his readers read in, which is really, really instrumental to know so that you were able to get information out to communities in a correct manner.
And Rena, what types of media do you think have untapped potential to connect with minority audiences?
Definitely the podcast. The podcast or the vodcast is one of the most important media sources that our audiences can connect to. It's due to its accessibility, low production costs, and it engages the niche audience without being too overwhelming. You can make a very good point in 3 minutes. Also, social media reels, TikToks, finding an influencer in your town that people enjoy listening to also makes for a lot of untapped resources that mainstream media really isn't using right now. I think that that's going to be the future.
Is there anything else that you think small and mid-sized nonprofits should know to make sure their communities are completely informed?
Individuals need to be aware of some of the voter engagement issues, how to go about dealing with where to go to vote, some of the issues with helping those with disabilities, non-English speakers, and also how to help combat misinformation. There's a whole lot of things that we can do collectively to maintain transparency and a unified message and getting the fact that we should be promoting the nonpartisan voting.
I'd say it's really helpful to partner with organizations in your state that provide accurate and trusted content that you can easily get out to your own network. So organizations like the League of Women Voters, Common Cause, and APIA Vote would be great places to start. And in Michigan at MNA, we partner with Promote the Vote at the state level and Nonprofit Vote at the national level, and they provide trusted and accurate content that we can share with our network.
Thank you, Rina and Annie, for this quick nonprofit, nonpartisan election tip on non-traditional media. I'm Tiffany Gorley Carter. Please make sure you're registered and please go vote.